Hey loves, Merry Christmas. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this Winter Wonderland inspired nail art. Today's nail art is inspired by the Stardo 30-sheet Snowflake nail decal set that I purchased on Amazon for $8. I also purchased the Teoyall 2-piece nail art stand set on Amazon for $7. On my thumbnail, I am applying 2 coats of the Aimeili Gel Polish in shade 15. I will cure each coat for 30 seconds. With a cosmetic wedge, I am applying the Burano Glitter Gel Polish in shade 15 diagonally across the nail. I will do this twice, curing each coat for 30 seconds. I am using my Teoyall nail art liner brush to apply a thin line of the Beetles Gel Polish in shade 638. Again, I will cure for 30 seconds. I chose white snowflakes for this design because I thought they would look really nice against the silver glitter. Lastly, I am applying a thin coat of the Model 1's No Wipe top coat and curing for 30 seconds. On my index nail, I am starting off by applying 2 coats of the Beetles Gel Polish in shade 678. I am creating a swirl design with the Burano glitter gel in shade 15. To tie this nail in with the rest of the set, I decided to use the blue and green snowflakes. To adhere my crystals, I am using the Gadget's Entrepot LED Rhinestone glue. To further cement my crystals in place, I am going over the glue with a coat of the Model 1's No Wipe top coat. These beautiful blue crystals are from the Swarovski size 12 crystal value colored mix. After I place my stones, I am going to cure this nail for 60 seconds. These crystals are from the Swarovski Crystal AB Value Mix. This is my completed Winter Wonderland inspired set. I love how these nails came out. My favorites are the nails that have the snowflake and the glitter swirl design. They're so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. I will list all of the products that I used in today's video down below in the description. Let me know what you think of my Winter Wonderland inspired nail art, and until next time, bye loves!